Introducing our 3D printed carbon fiber phone holder and card holder. This is customized just for you with your name engraved in the back. And in the front, we have a sound amplifier so you can jam out in your office. And in the bottom, a neoprene adhesive mat which will prevent the phone holder from sliding on your desk, which will keep your phone safe and secured like our test fixtures. This phone holder was made just for you. It's got your name engraved in the actual CAD file, and we've taken into consideration the angle of the phone and the cards so they can both fit in the phone holder simultaneously without coming in contact with each other. Our phone holders are sturdy and blocky like our medical device test fixtures. So come on over and let me show you one of our medical device test fixtures. So here we have in white what will be the medical device, and it's clamped down to prevent rotational or translational movement. We disengage the toggle clamps, carefully remove the medical device. We could also disengage the holder of the medical device. So here at Pipeline, we have a variety of different medical device test fixtures that we would love to show you. So if you're interested, leave a comment below or send us a message.
At Pipeline Design and Engineering, we design incredible test fixtures. Using a combination of precision machined and 3D printed components, we are able to balance cost and capability to deliver phenomenal value to our customers. Many of our fixtures incorporate some level of motion control and automation. In fact, we have created a suite of software tools in LabVIEW to control everything from motors to air cylinders based on the specific needs of our customers' applications. We can also provide turnkey system integration for your project, using a variety of inputs such as force and torque gauges to trigger key events in your automation process, and a custom PC-based UI for users to control this process. Some of our customers need fixtures that interact with legacy components for which no CAD data exists. Pipeline provides in-house 3D scanning and reverse engineering for these situations and can produce design intent CAD assemblies for even your most challenging projects. This CAD data can then be used as references for test fixtures or simply for manufacturing. Our mission is to create elegant solutions for passionate customers by being experts in the field of mechanical design and engineering, and we'd love to talk to you about your next project. Please contact us today at info@designtheproduct.com or by calling 480-241-4764.